He's got all his fingers. And cute little ears. Don't touch his eyes, okay? Don't poke his eyes.
The sun never ends. So the height didn't work because it has to be entered in centimeters, and I have no idea how many centimeters 17.5 inches is. Isn't that so dumb?
Hello, congratulations.
Hi, 44.
My name's Jan from the
Are
nursery.
you
Just gonna
getting?
check the little guy out, is that okay?
Yep.
Okay.
If you can get him away from his big brother.
Uh-oh.
Can't see. He keeps his eyes open a long time.
Yeah, hello.
Baby brother.
Is that your baby brother?
Again, put it.
He already wants to hold him and feed him.
Oh, he said I said to you, baby.
If only he had the right utensils, right?
Yeah.
Alrighty. Can I